Let's say I want to view the revision history for a particular document or G Suite file. I'll click on the file, scroll down to version history, then click on see version history. Once I click on revision history, I have the opportunity to name the different versions. I can see the date and the time that this document was created. I can also see who has contributed to this document during this time and when the last contributions were made. If I want to see a more detailed history, I can then click on this drop-down menu and it will show me specific times who made the edits, and if I click on them, you'll see the document actually change right before your eyes. If I want to restore a previous version of the document, I can do so by clicking on the revision history, and I can click on restore this version. Or I can go back and I can name the current version of the document. That way it will be easy to go back in time to restore it to a specific version of the document.